Hey everybody, I'm Erica Page and I got a house over my shoulder. We have another great property coming to market for you. We are in Decatur, completely redone. This investor have actually sold properties for him before, and he always does a beautiful job. Everything is new here in this house, so you can come in here problem-free, worry-free. Plus, we're gonna make sure you get a home warranty. For our VIP buyers, they always get a home warranty. But right now, our lender has a special grant that this home is eligible for, $5,000, and it includes a warranty, and it covers the appraisal costs. Come on. We're gonna be doing an open house for it very soon, but I think you are going to love it. Let me show you the inside.